Which ones?
The detergent bottle.
Yeah.
That one, 2, and then the vodka bottle. And maybe the Gatorade bottle. I don't know yet. I'm like, so, detergent bottle.
Detergent bottle, okay. Probably went through.
Dad?
Okay. I don't know why. Why it's doing
Piece of electronic, and I found it.
Hey, yo! We're shooting!
I thought you were on
No, it's jamming. It jams.
When I looked over, you were playing with
I know, because it jammed.
No, right?
Wait. Oh, this is where the shells spin. Try to get those before the wind knocks them down.
Yeah.
Nice
shot.
Get the cat.
Oh, I hate you! I told you not to get those, but you did anyway.
Nice shot.
It went in.
Yeah? Gatorade.
Oh, okay.
Good shot. Can't tell. Damn, that's more than 10 shots.